Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my MiamMiamBox unboxing for January. So let's dive in. This is the snack box. If you are just joining, welcome. This is a French snack subscription box. They have three different sizes. They have a small, medium, and a large. It's Le Mini, La Regionale, and the Maxi. This is the Maxi. With shipping, it's about, I don't know, around 32 bucks a month. And you get 5 to 6 full-size snacks. So let's dive in. I'm so excited. So right on top is a little pamphlet that talks about the products that are inside. These ship, so how the subscription box works is these ship out on like the 23rd of the month, so they come later in the month that the box is. So the January box ships out on the 23rd. There's always a little card in here about a place in France, and this one is Strasbourg. I've actually been there. And sometimes there's a recipe or some information about the place or a song. And this one is for Kugelhof, I believe. You guys can see that. And the recipe is in English. But the ingredient measurements are in grams and teaspoons. So there's a little bit of conversion there. And this is in, it's a French and German cake. So, right on top is by Belen. It's Les Croustilles in Emmental. These look like little cheese puff type things, flavor of Swiss. We've gotten this kind of snack before, but I've gotten like a peanut flavored one, like a peanut butter flavored one. And I've gotten the Belen crackers in the Emmental. So I know these are going to be super good. I'm not going to open them up right now, but I love that they include a savory snack in here. They usually include one savory snack in every box. So this is great, and I'm super excited about that. I've been trying to limit opening up everything and tasting it because I'm trying to be good. Alright, next in here is by Haribo. I love me some Haribo. This is the Haribo Mau Croquis. I've never heard of these before. They look like there's something fizzy inside, and they have different flavors. It looks like lemon, raspberry, orange, apple, and cola. They look like big jelly beans, but soft. And I don't know, it looks like there's, I don't know, there's something on the inside. So, oh, I really want to open these, but my problem with Haribo is that once I open them, I have a hard time stopping. But I've never heard of these, so I'm going to open them. And I'm assuming this is the cola flavored one. The flavor of their candy is just so good. So, there's like a hard candy shell on the outside, like a softer, like almost like a jelly bean, but not jelly-ish on the inside. Almost like a gum texture, but it's not gum, I don't think. I hope it's not gum. No, it's not gum. I hope it's not gum because I'm chewing it. What's it say on here? No, okay. Just wanted to make sure. I normally have, I've had this box for almost a year. I've never actually read the little card. It has the description in French and English. So I just read the description just to make sure it wasn't gum. Can never go wrong with Haribo. Next in here is by Saint Michel. They are the donuts in the chocolate marble. We've gotten these before. These are good. They're not super sweet. They're just kind of like a basic cake. And these are a nice little snack to like throw in your lunch bag. So I'm not going to open these. I'm going to leave them as is. And then next in here is by Belen. And these are 14 gaufrettes. And this is saveur coco. These almost look like little wafers with chocolate in the middle. So let's open these up. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. Oh, okay. I don't know. They look bigger than I thought, but I think this is 2. Okay, yeah, it is. They're a little messy. Yeah, so they're like these like thin wafer cookies with chocolate in the middle. Oh, these are good. The chocolate is fudgy. It's like milk chocolate. It's not too sweet, not too dry, not too bitter. Just good. Next in here is Balu, and this is the Lulu La Braquette in fraise, which is strawberry. And these are so good. They're like little shortbread cookies with like a strawberry jam in the middle. I feel like I know we've gotten these before, and I don't know if they were strawberry or raspberry. I'm not going to open them up because of that. And so I've had this box for about a year, and I know I've had a couple repeats with exact stuff, which this is the first time I think, besides like the little snack cakes. But I'm okay with that because this stuff is so good. So totally fine with me. All right. Oh, the next thing in here is by Bon Maman. They're the tartlets and chocolat caramel, chocolate caramel. We've gotten the little tartlets before, but in the lemon. But the chocolate caramel. Oh, I am excited. And these come individually wrapped. And the tartlet is like a shortbread cookie, so it's not like super sugary. This reminds me of like a fancy Twix bar. Oh, that is so good. The caramel is not like too sweet. It's just rich and full of flavor. Then last but not least is also Belen. It's Pims Le Régional, and this is the orange flavored. We've gotten like the raspberry flavor before, but I've never had the orange. And this is like a cake with chocolate and like a jam. Orange can be kind of tough. It can be kind of almost too much sometimes. So I'm interested to see. It's a dark chocolate. So it's like an orange marmalade like that kind of orange flavor. So I like it, but if you're not into that like orange, almost like a more on the bitter side with like the rind, then you're not gonna like these. But having the non-sweet cake and the dark chocolate really helps balance it. This box, just like, I've said this time and time again, this is my favorite subscription box ever. I've done beauty boxes before. This just never lets me down. It is just so good. I mean, even getting like, everything is just good. I've never been disappointed. So I highly recommend this box if you know someone who loves French snacks. Everything is just so flavorful. It's not like sickening sweet. It's just really good. So that is it for my Miam Miam unboxing. Yeah, I've been subscribed to this for almost a year, and this is not sponsored. Like, they don't, I love French snacks, and you know, it's reminiscent of me when I lived in France. So, yeah, it's like my little treat of the month. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!